Okay, we just did a lesson on solutions as mixtures, and they are going to pitch to me their product. It's a label for a water bottle for solutions. Go, Laura Beth.
Mine is called LB Solution, and you should buy mine because it's pretty and it has a lot of information about solvents and solutes. And the solute is the Kool-Aid, which I put in my water, which is the solvent. And water is H2O, and Kool-Aid is glucose or sugar, and it's C6H12O6.
Good job. You're done. Next. Next. Okay. Tell me about your product.
Okay, this is some good glitter by Celia Mart and bottled by Coca-Cola. It's vintage 2012 and it's Gert flavor. And you must be over 21 to purchase. Keep out of reach of chillins. And it's made with Kool-Aid and water, and there's a squash in the water. And it's a Gert flavor, and it's vintage 2012. And it's by Celia Mart. It's bottled by Coca-Cola, and it's a mixture. And
okay, you're done. Thank you for your. Thank you. All right, next.
Okay, this is a certain solution company, and the good part about it is it's actually vodka, not water, so you have to be 21 to drink it. And it has 800 calories, 1,000 grams of fat, and -1 million protein, so it's very healthy. So that's a plus. And it's a mixture. Oh no, it's a solution. So you have to stir, then shake, then heat, then break up the solute, and if you don't, it will explode, so it's very safe. And its flavor is your mom's blood.
Thank you. I'll keep you in mind.
Okay,
all right, Cole.
Okay.
Tell me about your product.
This is my mixture, and it's sort of boring. All my information was right there, and it got stapled closed. But the concentration is the solute divided by the solvent. And to get the solvent, you have to shake it and crush it, or you might be confusing those. And it's a mixture. And yeah, all the stuff was right there.
Okay, good, thank you.
Oh, and you should buy it because it's the blood of Justin Bieber.
Okay, blood of Justin Bieber. All right, Emma, you're up.
Hello.
Okay, sell me.
This is my super solvent. And don't laugh at me. I'm offended. You see the liquid part? That is the solvent part. Can you see the red part with the little particles at the bottom? That's the solute part. The salutations. If you're like a health freak, it's 95% water.
Okay.
And the other 5% is complete sugar.
Oh no.
And H2O. It's a compound and it's a covalent bond. And let's see. Concentration is the number of the solute over the number of the solvents. See that right there? And then you have saturated. That's saturated. That's not.
Good. Okay, you're done.
So good, you'll die. Hello.
Hello.
This is MHF solvent, and it is made of glucose, which is a compound, and water, which is also a compound. And when you put them together, your water is your solvent, and your sugar is your solute, and you get a mixture.
Okay. Anything else?
And to dissolve your mixture, you can shake it, stir it, heat it, or crush up your solute.
Good. Show me the front again. Very good. Okay, next. All right, show me your product.
You should pick my Mallory's solvent because when you drink 50 bottles or more, you can turn your caps in and you can have a chance to be Liam's girlfriend.
Oh man.
Okay.
It's gonna sell a lot.
Yeah. Okay, so start over here first. Okay, so we start out with water, H2O, and that is a compound, and that's a solvent, and then you put your solute in it, and that was the Kool-Aid powder, and you shake it up, and to dissolve it, you can stir, shake, you can heat it up, or break it, and yeah.
There you go. All right, I think you're gonna sell a lot of those.
Yeah.
Right. Next. Let's go next. Are you back again?
yeah, I'm back for some more.
He's persistent. Okay.
Hello, this is some good glitter, and it's Gert flavor, and it's followed by Coca-Cola, and I suck. And it includes a straw.
Get out. Next.
No, it includes a straw. So you can't.
Get out of here. Next. All right, come on, Madison. All right.
Okay.
First, show me your product. Solution.
My solution.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, it's made up of the solvent, which is water, and the solute, which is Kool-Aid, but it's mostly made up of glucose, which is C6H12O6, and water is H2O. And to dissolve the solute in the solvent, you can stir it, shake it, heat it, or break it.
Okay.
And water is a compound. The solute it's a compound too.
So you got a little diagram?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, thank you. You did a good job. Oh my gosh.
Okay, hi there, and this is Maggie's solution. I am Tiffany, but this is Maggie's solution. She made this. It's not actually salt water, even though there's waves drawn over this. Solvent, ocean water, and because there's lots of it. Solute, because a little bit of salt compared to the water. There are two compounds or more in a solution, and it's not very saturated. It's shaken, not stirred, and the concentration is low, and it's a mixture. And I spelled solution wrong, but it's because my L looks lonely.
Okay. Bye. Next. Next.
I didn't do that.
Okay. First, show me what you made.
I made Isabella's solution.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about it.
Okay, so it's water and crystals from deep inside caves mixed together, which makes a purple water drink.
Okay.
And it's water, H2O, plus Kool-Aid, which is mostly made up of sugar, so it's glucose, C6H12O6.
And you have that on there?
Yep.
Good. Okay. What else
And
can you tell me?
It's water is a compound with 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogens, so H2O. And I have other information right there, but it's
good. All right. Well, thank you. Next.
Okay.
All right. First, show me what we have going on here. Chloe's cherry solution.
You should buy it because you can take this off.
Okay.
Use it wherever you want. And the ingredients are hydrogen times 2, oxygen times 1, carbon times 6, helium times 12, and oxygen times 6. And there's harsh chemicals involved. And there's water and glucose, which is the Kool-Aid is a solute and the water is a solvent.
Good job. Okay, that's all I have time for. Good luck to you. All right, come on. You have 30 seconds.
This is Cookie Poo J. John T. Super Solutions by Cookie Company, and you should get it because Superman drank it, and he said that you should drink this. And how I made it was you start off with the water, which is a compound, and then which is a solvent, and then you add the solute or the Kool-Aid, which is the best part, which is also a compound. And then to dissolve it, you either stir, shake, heat it, or break it up.
Good. All right, looks like you got everything on there. Thank you, ma'am. All right, Miss Mia. This is your product.
The Mia J. Jaunty solution, and the bottle is 100% plant. It's recycled, and it started out as water and went into a fantastic solution from Kool-Aid. Yeah, and it says every bottle is recycled from the J. Jaunty Company.
Very good. Thank you, ma'am. All right, come on. Don't fight over who's going to go first.
You should buy mine because I love you, and it's got facts about saturation and concentration.
Like what? Like how do you know what's the solvent and what's the solute?
It says so.
It says it on the label?
Yes.
So if you didn't know it, you could buy one of these bottles and you could use it to cheat on your test?
They're educational.
Very good. Thank you. All right. Let me see what your product is. Okay. That looks like it's for a big gulp.
Yeah, it's a little too big.
That's for big boys. All right, so tell me a little bit about your product.
You should buy it because it's the greatest solution ever, obviously. And it tells you how to make it. All you gotta do is to dissolve it. It's really easy. You just stir. It's really simple. You just stir in the Kool-Aid.
Well, what are the two components?
The solute. Solvent.
Yeah. You know which one's which?
Yes.
When we made Kool-Aid today, which one was which?
The solute was the water, and the solvent. I said that wrong. Backwards.
Okay, just check in.
Yeah, I knew that. Sorry.
So fix it.
The Kool-Aid is the solute, and the water is the solvent.
Do you have that on your label?
Yes.
Okay, show me.
For third.
No, that's the concentration.
Oh, all right.
Go fix it. Okay. All right, bye. All right, Austin.
Yay. Okay, so mine, it's promoting science. This is like solvent and solute, and it says water, because water is the more, and Kool-Aid, because it's less. And then it has a description, it says math, powder over water. And it's cool because it's red, and it has over 9,000 grams of sugar, so you should go buy it.
Okay. All right, Miss Lindsay.
I don't really know.
Just first show me your label. Oh, very eye-catching. Okay. And what can you tell me about solutions?
The more, if you put too much of it in...
Is this baking soda solvent? Sodium bicarbonate?
Well, I read it wrong and I thought it said nacho.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, I should have rearranged it and put nacho.
That would have been cute. Okay, go ahead.
The more you put in it, if you put the more in it, it'll be stronger because there will be more to balance out the water. And if you put in too much, eventually it'll have been as balanced out as it can get and it'll just fall to the bottom. And you can ways to get it to mix it in better are stir it, shake it, or add heat. That's it. Oh, and make sure the solution is crushed.
Tell me the difference between the solute and the solvent.
A solute, I think, is a weaker, and a solvent is stronger.
Well, more or less, right?
Yeah.
It's more solvent and less solute. So the Kool-Aid today was our what?
Our
solute.
solute.
Remember, you were so small. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's next? Did you add it? Yay, thank you, sir. All right, Joey.
What if I don't want to do this?
Just show me your label. Because I know you did a good job. Vampire blood. A liking for vampires everywhere. Okay, rotate it around. See what else we got. Blood, water. What's that say?
Death's likings.
Oh, gosh. And what else do we have on there?
Made by stirring the blood in water and then heating in death's likings.
Oh, my goodness. What else?
The drink, you bite the side of the bottle and slowly enjoy it.
Oh, you bite the side of the bottle. That's pretty funny. Vampire blood is a mixture of blood and water. Blood being the solvent. Good. See, that's excellent. Very creative. Love it. Okay, who's next?
Okay, I want to finish.
No, stay away.
But I never got to finish it. Okay. This is some good glitter, and I suck. It includes a straw, so you can too.
There you go.
Okay, now.
Is that everybody?